as a customer, this is what the customer is going to see when they open the website and when they want to make an order. They either first select the to specify the duration of the order, or they can just go direct to make the order. Which, if they do, it will still bring them to specify the duration of the order. So to specify the duration of the order, let's say the order is going to start from 19th by 12 in the afternoon to 21st. Maybe that's when they are returning it 11 in the morning. So after selecting the duration of the order, they'll click save and it's going to save the duration. So every order they're going to make is going to follow the duration that they already set. So let's say what we want to order is this particular product, Nikon, which is 12,000 naira. So I click on to add it to cart and it added. I can also add more products to cart. For example, I want to also add this particular product to cart. It adds it. So at the end of it, I'll click on checkout or I can view the cart to see what I've added. So in this place, I have two products, Nikon, which is going to be for 2 days, is going to now be 24,000, and the other one, which is going for 2 days also, is going to be 100,000, and putting everything together is 104,000. And to complete the checkout, is either if this person is a returning customer, all he needs to do is to click on login and he will log in. And in that case, it's not going to have this form to fill. But if the person is a new customer, he's going to fill this. He has to fill this form, or if he has already registered through this registration form here, he will also have to just log in. So in this situation, let's say I'm going to fill this form, and this is the name of the person is Gold Jerry. The email address, let's say, is gold at gmail.com. Phone number is this. Password is this. The company, let's call the business name Jerry G. And the Instagram handle is at Jerry G. So I just fill this one fast so that you can complete this. This PA photography self pickup. We can do self pickup, can do that we deliver to you. Then picture, I'm just going to select any picture on the system for both the picture and the ID card. And next of kin, let's say the next of kin is Jerry Emmanuel, next of kin, and the phone number is this short. Let me use the same person as the shorty. So this is basically how to fill the form. That's just it. And remember, the email address is gold at gmail.com because we might need it if you want to log in as this particular user in the next video. So after filling everything, the next thing is to submit. And it's going to upload this information to the server. And once the information has been saved, the next thing is for him to make payment. And at this point, I'm using test payment. So I'll just select success to simulate a success payment, how it's going to look like. Then I click pay. Once payment is done, just say payment was processed successfully. So this is actually how this is supposed to be. The person placed an order, he booked an order, and at this point now, this information has been forwarded to the admin, which let me also log in as the admin. So logging in as the admin, this is the person who is in charge of booking. That is the front desk that logged in. When he logs in each day, he looks at the to do to see what information he has for the to do list. So on this place, we have things that happened today. So this is schedule rider, book rider, and provide rider details for delivery of booking this. So this is the information that has been um, provided for the person to handle. That is for what is supposed to happen today. And once this person finish whatever he's doing, let's say the once he starts working on this thing, he just set this into in progress. Once it's completed, he just select it, select completed. If it's in progress, he select in progress. Once it's completed, select completed. And if there's any report that needs to be recorded regarding this particular order, he fills it here. So that's actually how this place works. Then Another one is pending booking. If there are bookings that were made and that they are still pending, this is also where the issue comes up. So you can manually make the payment from here for any booking that they did not complete the booking payment. They didn't now any booking that the payment was not made is treated as pending. So if maybe the person calls in and talked about the booking and the rest of it, we can complete the payment from the system. Whereas on this place, this is where we are now going to see all the bookings that have been made. Now, this particular booking that I just made now, which is by the customer Jericho, this is actually where it is going to show up, because why it's showing up here is simply because the booking was completed and the payment was made. That is why it's here. And on the action, it's showing that it's upcoming. Now, this upcoming simply means that the pickup date is going to be 19th. So on that 19th, now the action will now change to it's ready for delivery. So, but in this place, let's say on this upcoming, let's say tomorrow, at the end of the day, I've delivered it, I'll just click on deliver. So it automatically update this particular um, booking to deliver. This actually how this is going to play out here. So I'm going to send you this video first, and later on I'm going to do another video where I will log in as this particular Jerry Gold, so that we're also going to see what he will see on his own dashboard.